Hey YouTube, this is Mike here again, and today we're doing a product review, and it's called EACHSHOT ES36. This is basically a little camera light. You can use this practically for anything actually. It's pretty amazing. It's lightweight, very easy to use, not complicated at all. It has basically 160 hours charge time, and the light is really bright. So if you want to check it out, let's see. Press down once, hold it, and there you go. And then you can see this is full brightness. It's freaking amazing. It's light enough that you can actually attach this to your phone with the mount bracket purchased separately. This is at the lowest right now. Okay. And what's also amazing, if you look in the back here, you can adjust the Kelvin, which is amazing. Can you see that? There you go. You can adjust the Kelvin, adjust the color range for recording whatever you're shooting on your phone or videoing. So I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, it's going to be like really blue. It's going to be more skin tone. There you go. Wow. It's like the sun. Yeah. It's pretty amazing. So I like to set it when I'm shooting on my camera. Yes, you can actually put this on your camera. I like to put it at 56. Okay, which is pretty standard. Okay. And you can attach it to any camera in the shoe mount section. Right there. Fabulous. Look at that. You're vlogging, and it comes out really good. Okay, but it comes with a suction cup. So when I'm like doing video conferences, I just attach this to it, like this. It has a swivel neck mount that you can change it to any direction, and that makes it really useful. So when you're trying to have a video conference and you want to look at a product, but you don't want to actually have to have it directing right at your face, set it up such, and then voila, fantastic. The suction cup itself is really strong. I was like really amazed. It has a clamp air seal, which makes it really tight, so you're not going to lose it. Okay, I mean, this mount alone is universal, so you can attach it to your mounts that you use for your GoPro and whatnot, and basically you can attach this to your body and have like a little night cam thing, so you have enough brightness when you're doing an outdoor shooting. It's perfect for that. It also comes with this silicone cover, which will protect it from damaging, and also is a perfect diffuser. Make sure before you use it, you remove the plastic film that comes on this, because I didn't, and I had it on for like months, but it was so bright I didn't notice the difference. Okay, put it in just like this. Voila, just like this. Perfect. Comes with a little USB-C plug. I think the new one now comes with 2. I really don't need more cables for that. It's only made for charging. I mean, it's literally it's a built-in battery. You're looking at 2,000 amps, is about 120 minutes, which is pretty good. It only weighs about 91 grams. This thing is pretty light. I mean, if you have an attachment, you can put it on your gimbal as a light source, and you can connect it and it'll power it through your gimbal. You can also attach it by itself using some clamps you have with this little tripod. You can really attach it and just make a lot of use out of it. I took this with me camping, and I would attach it to a fixture and then, boom, or do my video vlogging, live shoots. I mean, this is with me all the time now. Fabulous. You can, put this in the back of your laptop and then, like do video conferencing, put on your camera gear, I actually tried DJI drone and it works. You just attach it to the top or the bottom if you have a universal mount screw like this, and it's amazing. It's like a floodlight in the air. And you had the EACHSHOT ES36 light. Must have to have included with your kit. All right, mic's out. Enjoy.